Are you looking for the perfect coffee table that truly stands out when it comes to quality, durability, and real value for your money? With so many options available in the market, it's often confusing to figure out which one is actually worth buying. That's where this video comes in. Today, I'll walk you through the top 5 best coffee tables, covering their key features, performance, durability, and the real pros and cons you should know before making a purchase. After careful research and comparison, I've selected these products because they've proven to be reliable and helpful for people like you. If you want to check the latest price, detailed specifications, or explore exclusive deals, don't forget to visit the links I've added in the description box below. Those resources will save you time, money, and help you make the smartest buying decision. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. We're kicking things off with an excellent start, something that proves great performance doesn't always mean high price. At number 5, Yaheetech Wooden Lift Top Coffee Table. Hidden storage shelf, space-saving table for living room. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The Yaheetech Wooden Lift Top Coffee Table is a smart space-saving choice for anyone who wants a clean and organized living room, and this video explores how its thoughtful design can make everyday life easier in homes across the USA and around the world. This table features a smooth lift top that raises with ease so you can work, eat, or relax without leaning forward, and the hidden storage space under the tabletop helps you keep remotes, books, and small items out of sight while still within reach. The lower open shelf adds even more room for baskets or decor, which makes this table useful for apartments, family rooms, and small spaces where every item needs to serve a purpose. The build quality feels solid for the price, and the wooden finish gives it a warm and modern look that blends well with many interior styles. A real advantage is how practical it feels for daily use, though the lift mechanism may feel firm at first, and the surface can show marks if you do not use coasters. Assembly is simple, but it takes some patience to align each section properly. This table is ideal for people who want function and storage without spending much, but it may not be the best choice if you prefer heavy premium wood. Overall, it delivers strong value and everyday comfort, and you can click the link in the description box to learn more details. Stepping up the game, number 4 takes innovation to the next level. Coming in at number 4, we have Jimeimen Farmhouse Lift Top Coffee Table. Wood center table with storage and USB charging, gray. Combining advanced design, solid build, and features that make your experience smoother than ever. The Jimeimen Farmhouse Lift Top Coffee Table offers a warm and practical upgrade for any living room as it combines hidden storage, a smooth lift top design, and a built-in USB charging station that makes everyday routines easier for families, students, and anyone who wants comfort and organization. The gray wood finish brings a calm modern farmhouse style that fits many home settings, while the lift top lets you work, eat or relax from a more comfortable height without leaning forward. The hidden storage area keeps remote books and small items out of sight, and the lower open shelf adds room for baskets or decor, which helps keep your space neat. A key strength is its useful mix of storage and function, as the lift motion feels steady once you get used to it, and the charging ports help reduce clutter. However, the surface may show marks without coasters, and assembly can take patience because each panel needs careful alignment. It is a good choice for anyone who wants style, storage, and convenience in one piece, though it may not suit buyers who prefer heavy solid wood furniture. Overall, it offers dependable value for daily use, and you can click the link in the description box to learn more details. Many viewers will appreciate how this table blends practical features with a simple design that fits different rooms and lifestyles while still staying budget-friendly for many homes today. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, Rolanstar Coffee Table with Lift Top. Hidden compartment and storage drawers for living room. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The Rolanstar Coffee Table with Lift Top brings a balanced mix of style, comfort, and smart storage to any living room, as it is designed to make daily routines easier while keeping your space clean and inviting. Its lift-top surface rises smoothly to create a comfortable spot for working or eating, which is helpful for small apartments or busy family rooms. The hidden compartment under the top gives you a place to store remotes, books, and small items, while the side drawers add even more organized space for things you want within reach, but not in plain sight. The espresso wood tone adds a warm modern look that fits many styles, from cozy homes to simple modern setups. A key advantage is how stable the lift top feels once open, and how much storage this table offers compared to many options in a similar price range. Still, some buyers may find the assembly time longer than expected, and the surface may need gentle care to avoid scratches, so using pads or coasters is a good idea. It is a great choice for anyone looking to maximize storage without losing style, though it may not suit those who prefer heavyweight solid wood furniture. Overall, it works well for everyday use and helps create a clean, comfortable living area that feels both practical and welcoming, so click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a serious contender for number 1. Taking the runner-up spot, at number 2, Memobarco 40-inch lift-top coffee table, multifunction farmhouse table with storage drawers. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The Memobarco 40-inch lift-top coffee table blends practicality and style to create a versatile centerpiece for living rooms, whether in North America or overseas. With a smooth lift top that elevates to desk height, this table offers a comfortable surface for working, dining, or browsing while seated on a sofa. Below the surface, a hidden storage compartment plus drawers give you ample space to store remotes, books, snacks, or everyday clutter, helping keep the area tidy without sacrificing easy access. The farmhouse-inspired design and neutral finish match well with many decorating themes, from modern minimal to cozy rustic, which makes it simple to incorporate into different homes. One of its strong points is how functional it is. The lift mechanism feels sturdy and the drawers glide smoothly, which adds to daily convenience. On the downside, the table's lighter construction means it may feel less solid than heavy solid wood furniture, and it requires careful assembly with some time and patience. Also, the storage space is useful, but may feel modest if you need to store bulky items. Despite these limitations, the Memobarco table stands out for its balance of affordable price, thoughtful design, and everyday usefulness. It is ideal for apartments, small homes, or anyone looking to add smart functionality without losing floor space. If you value both form and function for home living, this table is a strong, practical choice. For full details and today's best offer, click the link in the description box to learn more details. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for, the absolute best of the best. At number 1, Sedeta 31.5-inch lift-top coffee table, farmhouse living room table with hidden storage. This one redefines what performance really means: unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The Sedeta 31.5-inch lift-top coffee table brings a practical and charming farmhouse look to modern living spaces and offers a smart way to keep your room tidy while adding comfort to daily routines. Its lift top rises smoothly to create a relaxed surface for working, reading, or enjoying light meals, which makes it helpful for apartments and small homes where space matters. The hidden storage compartment under the top gives you a clean place to store remotes, blankets, or small essentials, while the open lower shelf keeps everyday items easy to reach. The build feels sturdy for regular use, and the farmhouse finish fits well with many home styles, which makes it a simple upgrade for anyone wanting function and warmth in one piece. A real advantage is how easily the top lifts without feeling heavy, and how well the storage space hides clutter to keep your room looking calm. A possible drawback is that the storage area may feel limited for larger items, and the compact size may not suit big living rooms. The lift top can also require careful handling if you place heavier items on it. Even so, the table delivers strong value for students, small families, and anyone who wants a multi-use piece that blends style with everyday comfort. If you want a table that works hard without taking up extra space, this one is worth a closer look. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.